How's it going, everyone? This is Reversal Trader, and I catch the most precise tops and the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And I want to look at a trade here that I see a lot of people talking about, and I've seen this before. It's ticker Ebet, EBET. No further ado, the market's about to open here in an hour and a half, so I want to get this through, and so everyone's aware. Let's go straight to the charts. Okay, so ticker Ebet. As you can see, I've done this before, and I've seen this play out. And I customized my settings and all of this, and it works for a lot of plays like this. So basically, I colored it red for the upper band, and that is your sell zone. When price gets near it, it sells off relatively fast too, and you can make massive returns by shorting this. So price got near this one, it sold fast. The buy zone is when it gets near the green line here. Typically, I like it when it breaks it. It didn't quite break it, so it's like a hard one. But as you can see, all these red days, and then finally the buyers got exhausted, and the price goes back up. The one thing you got to realize with this reversal strategy, and it's 100% win rate if as I've been doing it right, because I've been doing it mainly on big caps, and it works a lot better, honestly, on big caps. But it can work on anything. But penny stocks, you have to be disciplined. You can't just say, it's down, down, and I just want to keep buying random zones. You have to be disciplined, guys. So, like right here, if you're like holding in, you're like, oh, it's going to the moon. It's not. It's overextended, and price always goes back to the middle band, guys. So, and that's what we're seeing right here. Every time it goes to one of the zones, you have a sell zone or a buy zone, it wants to go back to your middle band. So it hits a sell, goes back to middle band. It could have bounced right here, but decided to keep going down. Just like this buy zone. It hits this buy zone, it goes back to this middle band, and actually decides to go almost to the upper band. So now we have a very interesting thing. So we're in the middle band, and price wants to choose either the upper or lower. It's been consolidating here for a while, and looks like it decided to go to the upper band. It's up 28% live as I'm talking pre-market at a price of 0.680. The upper band currently is at 0.09. So it actually has some room to go up. It's not even really close to the upper band. So this could be a nice day for Ebet. It could be something just like this, where it just, gets close to the upper band. And it's hard to say since my daily this is a daily candle, by the way. And so it's since the market's not actually open, it's hard to say where it's going to land. Usually if it lands close to this, I would just honestly take the nice gains if you got in early. And while I'm talking, I do have a free Discord. We talk about all kinds of plays. I do trade alerts that I tell you what I get into. We have a watch list. I do have my YouTube video of how to set up all these indicators that I look for. Feel free to join it. It's no subscription, no money down. It's all free. You just get in, have fun, and you get high conviction alerts that have 100% win rate for a while now, and it's just been amazing. As long as you do exactly what I say, you accumulate, and you get it, and you buy in these buy zones, you'll be fine. I'll put that Discord in the chat on my YouTube and in the description. But I wanted to cover this trade so everyone's aware, like because a lot of people I know for me back in the day, I just didn't know when to take the I didn't know when to sell, when to buy. It was just kind of just honestly a guessing game. Like, oh, I'm up $500. That's the kind of what I wanted. That's not really how you look at it. It's not really a price or profit you look at. It's more what you look at the charts. What is the charts telling you? And that's really what you want to see. It's not. It's never a profit gain you guys are looking for. If the charts is telling you, hey, to sell, I am taking, even if it's just $10, I'm taking it out. But realistically, you should be buying down here, and this is your best risk reward. Could have sold it for an easy, oh wow, almost 200% right here, up in this area. So yeah, I love this is awesome. I'm glad for all the ebet people. It had a big downtrend here, and I'm excited for all the ones that are making a lot of money on this trade. This is a nice one right here. Glad it's going up for you guys. I have a lot of people talking about it, so I wanted to give a quick little recap on it. And yeah, congrats to the Bulls, and I'll see the rest of you guys who want to join the free Discord. Thank you so much.